Hey all, welcome back to the SBD Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here to do a makeup review and I'll be reviewing Lakme Absolute Concealer. This is White Intense Liquid Concealer SPF 25. It comes in this pretty tube. I don't have the outer box, but pretty much it comes in this tube. In shade golden medium. You have 4 shades. I'm referring to my phone so I can give you more information on this. It comes in 5.4 ml. It's a good quantity as a concealer. We have 4 shades: rose fair, beige honey, golden medium and ivory fairy. I think they should come up with more shades. It retails for 550 rupees. I got this in offer, I think, on Nykaa. Pretty much most of the times Lakme, whenever there's a Nykaa sale, Lakme do get these sales also, so you can find it in a 20 or 30% off. And this is how the packaging comes in. It's a tube, plastic tube, and then you have this wand here. Yeah, that's the wand. That's kind of doe foot applicator. That's the doe foot applicator you get as a wand. Because it is White Intense Concealer which has SPF 25, it is kind of a little whitish. I mean, you can see that white peeping out, like, kind of banana yellow color, but again I still feel there's little white intense eye coverage. And this is how the concealer is, so I'm trying to blend it out. It has a white feel to it, so you can see that. I'm not sure just because it has SPF in it, that's why it shows, because I have other concealers which do not show this kind of whitey feeling to it, but you can see. Yeah, I have applied today. It's a little lighter than my skin tone, but I don't apply too much. I just want to cover my dark circles. I cover also on my eye. This concealer is also on my eye. Concealer do have smell to it. Basic Lakme moisturizer smell that you have. If you're very sensitive to smell, you might not like it, but again I think once you apply on your skin, I don't really feel that smell anywhere. But when I apply it on back of my hand, then I notice that there is a fragrance to it, but again you don't really feel that when you apply and blend it out. It really conceals my dark circles, but again it brings out that intense brightness under my eye. So if you are a person who loves natural makeup, you might not like it because it actually intensifies the area wherever you apply this concealer. If you notice carefully, I have applied here, here and then here. You can see that intensifies the, oh my god, I love my highlighter. You like it? It's from Sugar Cosmetics. I really love that sheen. So it actually intensifies, brightens up a little bit. So this is very good for your dark circles or under eye area, or any area in your face where you want to highlight or peep through kind of thing. That is really good for that. But if you're someone with natural makeup look lover, you might not like it, but it is okay when you want to highlight those points of your face. But I think 550 is a little pricey for this concealer. Second thing is it has SPF 25, which is good. Yeah, I mean, I think it's a good concealer, but again the price point is too high. It has SPF 25, which is good. It actually intensifies or highlights those points, so that is good. And for natural makeup lover, it might not be suitable. For people who don't like fragrance, they might not like it, but otherwise I think it's a good concealer to use on. Lakme is an indie brand, so you can definitely try it. If you are skeptical to find the shade and all, I think you can go to the store and swatch it. But I think concealers are one of the products which you always have to match up a shade lighter than your actual shade. So that is useful for brightening those areas, but the price point, everything else is okay for me. Yeah, that's what my review is about this concealer. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.